Welcome to Whimbrel Lane. You've hit the trifecta in Sandhill Preserve. Location on Palmer Ranch, resort-style living with gated entry, and upgraded award-winning Pinnacle floor plan. Set on a picturesque lot with views of South Creek. A great room design, open to the kitchen, 42-inch cabinets with crown and under cabinet lighting, gas cooktop with vent hood, stainless appliances, granite countertops, a large one-level center island, and walk-in pantry. Plenty of space for all, having 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a large dining area and den. Your visitors won't want to leave after staying in the cheery front bedroom with private bath, tray ceiling, wood flooring and spacious closet. The luxurious master has water views, dual sinks, granite tops, a spacious walk-in closet, and nice-sized shower. This immaculate home has lovely curb appeal, a 3-car garage and extended screen lanai. Enjoy the grand clubhouse with heated pool and spa, tennis, fitness, a well-organized social calendar, plus a barefoot bar with fire pit, where you are sure to meet new friends. Palmer Ranch is a highly sought-after area that is well manicured with sidewalks, close to shopping and dining, the Legacy Trail, YMCA and short drive to Siesta Key and I-75. Call today for a private showing.